Departure Lane X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Jazz 460, the ground, right turn there, Juliet Alpha, lane 7.
Juliet Alpha, lane 7, thank you, Jazz 460.
Ground Jazz 460.
Jazz 460, go ahead.
I just wanted to say our thoughts are with your colleague that was working that day. We're all hoping he's okay.
Jazz 460, thank you for that. I'll pass it along, and same for you guys. You know, we were here for everybody. You know, it's a tight-knit community.
Yes, sir. All right, thanks for that, and thanks.
Yeah, I really appreciate you guys. It means a lot.
Likewise.